So welcome to today's project. I need a knife, so I will restore one. I picked the worst looking here. It's got a broken tip, rust all over it, and also the cutting edge is pretty carved out. So I have to build a whole new blade. So I traced the form of a good looking one and just glued it to the knife. Well, we got a Zwilling knife here made in Solingen, so a pretty nice piece of history, and hopefully I can revive it today. So here's the new form. I have to take away a lot of material, but still a decent blade size. It was absurd long in the beginning, so here we'll remove it with the angle grinder and I will cool it down with a wet rag to prevent overheat. So this rough shape I will refine on the belt grinder and also cool it down every few seconds. And when that is done, I can remove the rust from the blade using the belt sander and after that my whetstone. I don't aim for perfection here, so I stop here. I think it looks great, and now I can work on the cutting edge. Last thing to do is to hit the handle with some sandpaper and give him a nice beeswax finish, and here it is. Looks pretty nice. Time for some cutting tests.
Pretty nice.
Well, I will celebrate my knife with some vegan bolognese today. Hope you liked the video. See you on another project. Bye.